Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know if it's in focus, but guys, my dad is going to teach me how to ride his motorcycle. I'm not going on the street, just like right here in the driveway, but I'm actually really excited because like I'm going to ride a motorcycle when I'm older. Even though I could be riding to school right now, because when you're 15, you don't need a parent to ride with you. So I could definitely be riding it to school, but my mom's like, I'm scared. There's a car. Ooh. This looks so cool.
Alright, let's see if you can hold it up here. Yeah, the first step is don't drag your foot across the back seat.
I didn't.
I know, just making sure you know. Okay.
I'm like tall now, so it's like.
Okay, you got two brakes. Front brake.
And then back brake.
Back brake, yes, both on the right side. Got throttle.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've got emergency shutoff. So right now it's in neutral, so it'll start. Put it in gear, click the shifter down. Harder. With the clutch in.
Oh.
Ah. Click it down, hard. There you go. Now it's in gear, let go. It won't start. Why? Because there's a kickstand kill switch. It won't run with its in gear with the kickstand down. It's a safety thing. If you start driving off with the kickstand down and you go to turn left, it could get stuck and throw you off the bike. So put it in neutral. Start it.
I can start.
Yeah, you can start it in neutral. Kickstand up. Yeah. Pull the clutch in. Put it in the first. Okay. Put your other foot down. Now you're holding yourself up. Okay. Just let the clutch out a little bit and feel it. Roll like 10 feet, and then let off on here, squeeze the clutch back in, and hit the brake. Leave your feet down. Okay, clutch, and brake. There you go, backwards, roll that, clutch. Clutch and brake. Can you walk the bike backwards? You parked somewhere, could you walk the bike out of the parking spot? The more you're going, the more stable it is. Go all the way to the pine tree. Once you get going, put your feet up. Wheel right next to that jack. Pull forward. That's it right there. And then, hold on. Put your kickstand down. Okay. Turn this all the way and then lock it. And then it locks.